Have you ever wondered what happens in your brain while you're lost in the world of dreams? Dreams have always been a source of fascination, a mysterious realm where reality is often bent and the impossible becomes possible. But what exactly is happening inside our brains when we dream? Dreaming is a complex and intricate process that takes place within the brain. To understand this process, think of the brain as a grand orchestra, each section playing its own part to create the symphony that is your dream. When we delve into the realm of dreams, we're not just stepping into a world of imagination and whimsy. We're entering a dynamic arena where various regions of the brain are actively involved. Each has a unique role to play, contributing to the overall experience of dreaming. For instance, the prefrontal cortex, a part of the brain that's responsible for logical thinking and decision-making, takes a bit of a back seat during dreaming. This could be why dreams often defy logic and present us with scenarios that would seem bizarre in our waking life. Simultaneously, the amygdala, the emotional center of our brain, steps into the spotlight. It becomes more active, potentially leading to the intense emotions we often experience in our dreams. Whether you wake up feeling ecstatic, terrified, or somewhere in between, you have the amygdala to thank for that emotional roller coaster. Now, you might be wondering about the purpose of all this. Well, dreams are believed to play a crucial role in processing emotions and consolidating memories. They help us make sense of our experiences and emotions, allowing us to better understand and navigate our daily lives. So, dreaming is not just a simple act, it's a symphony orchestrated by different parts of our brain. As night falls and we surrender ourselves to sleep, our brains are just getting started, preparing to embark on another adventure in the world of dreams. Now, let's delve into REM sleep, the stage where most dreaming occurs. You've likely heard of REM sleep, short for rapid eye movement sleep. It's one of the 5 stages of sleep, and it's the period when our brains are buzzing with activity, almost as if we're awake. This stage of sleep is named after the quick, random movements of the eyes that occur during this time. But there's so much more to REM sleep than just eye movements. It's like a nightly festival of the brain, where neurons are firing and our minds are weaving intricate stories we know as dreams. Let's talk about the brain during REM sleep. It's important to note that not all parts of the brain are equally active. The prefrontal cortex, the region responsible for logical thinking and decision-making, takes a back seat during this time. It's like the strict, logical part of our brain goes on vacation, and the creative, imaginative part takes over. This decrease in activity in the prefrontal cortex might explain why our dreams can often feel so bizarre and unrealistic. Imagine if your logical thinking was fully functioning while you were dreaming. You might question the pink elephant flying across the sky, or your ability to breathe underwater. But with the prefrontal cortex less active, these dream scenarios seem perfectly plausible, adding to the surreality of our dream world. Interestingly, the prefrontal cortex's diminished role during REM sleep isn't a bug, it's a feature. This period of reduced logical thinking may free our minds to explore creative solutions to problems or generate new ideas unconstrained by reality's rules. So, while our bodies are at rest, our brains are hard at work during REM sleep, creating, organizing, and sometimes even problem-solving. Dreams, as it turns out, are not just random images, but a reflection of our brain's incredible activity during the night. Isn't it fascinating how our brain's activity during REM sleep shapes the surreal world of our dreams? Ever woke up feeling a wave of emotions after a dream? Well, there's a region in your brain responsible for that. Meet the amygdala, the emotional center of your brain. This almond-shaped bundle of neurons is nestled deep within your brain and is a key player in how we process emotions. Now, let's talk about dreams. When you're in the realm of dreams, your brain is far from idle. In fact, it's a hub of activity, with various regions lighting up and working in harmony. Among these, the amygdala takes center stage. During dream-laden REM sleep, the amygdala becomes more active. But why does this matter? Well, the heightened activity in the amygdala during dreams often leads to intense emotions. This explains why you might wake up feeling elated after a dream where you won the lottery, or wake up in cold sweat after a nightmare. Your dreams, as fantastical or strange as they may be, can elicit real, tangible emotions. and it's all thanks to the amygdala's hard work. But it's not just about experiencing emotions. This process can also help us navigate our feelings in our waking lives. You see, dreams serve as a safe space for the brain to explore and process emotions. The amygdala, with its increased activity during dreaming, can help us make sense of our experiences and emotions. When we wake, we might not remember the dream, but the emotional learning and processing that occurred can stay with us, helping us to better handle our feelings. So, the next time you find yourself waking up with a heart full of emotions from a dream, remember this. Your brain, specifically your amygdala, was hard at work while you were sleeping. It was creating, processing, and navigating a world of emotions within your dreams. Next time you wake up feeling emotional after a dream, you can thank your amygdala for that roller coaster of feelings. Beyond their fantastical nature, did you know that dreams play a crucial role in memory consolidation? Yes, indeed. The tapestry of dreams weaves not only stories of the subconscious, but also aids in the knitting together of our memories. The process of transforming our daily experiences into lasting memories is a complex one, and dreams are a fundamental part of this. When we dream, our brain sifts through the day's events, picking out the significant ones to store away for future reference. Think of dreams as the brain's housekeeping team, tidying up the day's clutter and filing away important documents. This process is especially important for learning. Studies suggest that dreaming about a new skill or information can actually improve our ability to perform it when we're awake. It's as if our brain rehearses the new information in our dreams, strengthening the neural pathways and making it easier to recall later. But dreams are not just about consolidating factual information or skills. They also help us process our emotions. Have you ever noticed how a dream can make you relive an emotional event, perhaps from a different perspective or with a different outcome? This is your brain's way of helping you deal with those emotions, to understand them and to potentially find a resolution. Dreams can also provide a safe space for us to confront our fears and anxieties, to explore different scenarios and outcomes without the risks associated with reality. It's like having a sandbox for our emotions, a place where we can experiment, learn, and grow. Moreover, by dreaming, we can also gain new insights into our personal experiences. Dreams can take our experiences, shake them up, and present them in a new light, allowing us to see things from a different angle, perhaps revealing hidden meanings or connections that we might have missed in our waking state. Dreams, then, serve as a mental sorting house, helping us process our experiences and emotions. So, the next time you wake from a vivid dream, remember, your brain has been hard at work making sense of your world. So, why do we dream? What's the point of these nightly narratives? Well, as we've discovered, dreams are not just random occurrences, but rather intricate processes involving different areas of the brain. During the REM phase of sleep, our brains become a bustling hub of activity. The prefrontal cortex, which usually oversees our logical thinking and decision-making, takes a back seat, and this may be why our dreams often seem so fantastical and surreal. Simultaneously, the amygdala, the emotional powerhouse of our brain, steps up its game, leading to the intense feelings we often experience in our dreams. Dreams also play a vital role in how we process and store memories. They can help us navigate through our past experiences and emotions, making sense of them in ways we may not consciously realize. They offer a unique perspective, allowing us to revisit, reframe, and reprocess our experiences. But the significance of dreaming doesn't end there. Dreams are also crucial for our mental well-being. They provide a safe space for us to confront our fears, anxieties, and desires, often in symbolic forms. By doing so, they help us to better understand ourselves and our emotions. Dreams also foster creativity. By breaking free from the constraints of logic and reality, dreams allow our minds to explore, innovate, and create, often leading to breakthroughs and insights that might not have occurred in our waking hours. So, next time you wake up from a dream, don't simply dismiss it as a random sequence of events. Remember that your brain was hard at work while you were asleep, creating a world of its own. Consider what the dream might be telling you about your emotions, experiences, or ideas. Remember, every dream is a journey, a journey that your brain has meticulously crafted for you. So, embrace it, explore it, and most importantly, learn from it. Next time you wake up from a dream, remember that your brain was hard at work while you were asleep, creating a world of its own.